In this video, I'm going to show you some very quick tips on what you can do to prevent your wheels from seizing onto the hub, especially if you live in areas where there's salty roads, winter climates, things like that. This could be after you've gotten the wheel off if it's seized on, or if it hasn't seized on yet and you want to do something to prevent it from happening. Hopefully this video will give you some quick tips on how to get that done. And this is all right now on Nexus Auto. So what's happening here is you're getting maybe road salt or buildup or anything, and you can see, you're seeing there, and this is causing the rim to become bonded onto the hub, right? Which is what you obviously don't want. So you just got to clean that up and put some good AntiSeize on there. Look for key points. So for example, look here, and you see that's where the rim kind of makes contact, and of course definitely around here. This is the main part. Even if you don't want to do it here, you definitely want to get around here. So that's where you just take your wire brush. You're gonna see the stuff that's coming off of there. Let's clean it up. Sandpaper works too, but I find this is easier because when you have sandpaper, it's kind of hard to really get your hand in. Now, it's also about using visual. So for me, I'm actually not going to bother with here because I don't see a lot of buildup here. Looks like those contact points are pretty good. But I am seeing it here, so I'm going to do it on the hub. And you just spray your cleaner on. As I showed you before, I'm using a brake parts cleaner, but whatever. And actually, I'm just going to spray the whole thing as it is brake parts cleaner. And let that soak off for a bit and let it dry. Now you want to make sure you're doing the same over here, right? So you're looking again for where the contact points are. You can see where it's making the contact, right? So you want to look around these lips. You can see, for example, these little notches here. So if fluid is getting through, it may slip through here and start bonding around there. I don't see that problem on this rim, but look for stuff like that, right? As it flows through here and it bonds here, it may slip through and bond there as well. In this case here, we're just going to do around the around here. The idea being just getting as much corrosion off as possible. And you spray a little bit of your cleaner here. In this case here, you want to use something more of a rim cleaner. You don't want to necessarily use like a brake parts cleaner or anything like that. Maybe too aggressive for rims. It's just a regular wheel cleaner or anything that would do. Okay, so now that that's all dried off, you just want to take a little bit of your AntiSeize. Don't need too much. And just dab it. That's too much, right? Just dab it along the ring there. Doesn't have to be professional, doesn't have to be awesome, just got to keep it there. So that will prevent any type of corrosion, salt, rust, anything from that from getting in there and actually bonding with the rim. Yeah, it may put a little bit of mess on your rim, but it'll prevent definitely any issues getting that wheel on and off in the future. So, you know, this little thing right here will definitely go a long way in helping you to make sure that when it's time to do your brakes, take your wheels off, rotate your wheels, check your suspension, whatever you got to do, that your wheel's not stuck on there and you've got a bigger issue than you want to deal with. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope this video has helped you out here today. Now let's go through some of the YouTube stuff, shall we? Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video has helped you out. And if you want to see my future videos, I try and put out one at least once a week. Make sure to hit notifications as well, just so you can get those videos. On the flip side to that, if you didn't like the video for whatever reason and you do dislike it, not a problem. Feel free to leave it in the comments of why you disliked it, whether it be something I did wrong, whether it's something you didn't like in the video. By all means, just let me know so I can keep making the best content possible. It's kind of the whole point of it, so make sure to do that. Speaking of the comments, if you have any questions, concerns, anything you want to add on, anything you see you can do better, anything that maybe you add on and it actually is worse, whatever it is, feel free to leave it in the comments. Nothing wrong with that. I always try and answer whenever I can. It may not be the same day, next day, whatever, but I try and answer all comments. So make sure to leave that as well. Once again, I want to thank you very, very much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.